Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to start your e-commerce journey, one of the biggest questions you're probably asking is, how much will it cost to build an e-commerce website? Today, we're going to break down the costs of e-commerce website development in 3 different regions: the USA, India, and Dubai. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what factors impact these costs and how much you should expect to invest based on your needs. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the different types of e-commerce websites that can influence development costs. Not all e-commerce sites are created equal. The complexity of your site can range from a simple, single-brand website to a full-fledged online marketplace. Single-brand websites. These are your standard e-commerce stores where one brand sells its products directly. Think of stores like Nike or Apple. Since these sites are relatively simple, they cost less to develop. Online retailers. Next, we have online retailers that sell a wide variety of products, like a mini Amazon. These sites require more development because of the larger inventory and different product categories. Online marketplaces. Finally, the most complex type is an online marketplace, like Amazon or eBay, where multiple vendors can list and sell products. Developing a marketplace takes significantly more time and resources, and you'll see that reflected in the cost. Now, what exactly influences the cost of developing an e-commerce website? Let's break it down. Web hosting. Hosting is the foundation of your website. In places like the USA, India, and Dubai, hosting services range from budget-friendly shared hosting to premium dedicated servers. Costs for hosting range between $30 to $500 a year depending on the size and complexity of your site. Payment processing. You'll need a secure payment gateway to process transactions. This could include integrations with PayPal, Stripe, or other systems. The more complex your needs, the higher the cost. UI and architecture. Design is key. A professionally designed UI that's user-friendly and attractive can make or break your site. The architecture of your website also plays a role in how it functions, and updating both the UI and architecture is crucial for the long-term success of your site. Updates and maintenance. Don't forget about maintenance. Websites require regular updates, bug fixes, and security patches. Annual maintenance costs vary but can range from $1,000 to $10,000. Add-ons and features. Any extra features you want to add, like smart search, filters, and mobile optimization, will affect your budget. We'll cover advanced features a bit later in the video. Now, let's dive into the costs in the USA. The budget for e-commerce websites in the USA can range from $1,000 for a simple site to over $150,000 for more complex platforms. The number of pages, business size, and website complexity all affect this. Number of pages. A small business site with 8 to 16 pages might cost between $1,000 and $10,000. But for a larger e-commerce site with 25 to 100 pages, the cost can go up to $40,000. Complexity. A basic, template-based website will cost between $1,000 and $5,000, while a high-end, complex website can reach $150,000 or more. Business size. Smaller businesses tend to spend around $3,000 to $12,000, whereas larger enterprises might invest $50,000 or more, depending on their needs. Next up, Dubai. The cost of e-commerce development here ranges between AED 15,000 and AED 100,000 or more. The price variation depends on the size of your business, complexity of your site, and any advanced features you want to add. Dubai's market tends to lean towards more high-end, feature-rich websites, which drives up the cost. Finally, let's look at the cost in India. In India, prices are more affordable, making it a great option for smaller businesses or startups. For example, a basic single-product e-commerce site could cost around 20,000 Indian rupees to 50,000 Indian rupees. For larger, more advanced sites, the cost could go up to Indian rupee 200,000. Now, let's talk about some advanced features that can enhance the functionality of your e-commerce site and what they'll cost. Smart search and filters. Adding smart search features can help users find products more easily. This feature might cost anywhere between $2,000 and $10,000 depending on the complexity. Personalized recommendations. Integrating AI to show personalized product recommendations could increase your conversion rate but also add up to $5,000 to your development costs. One-click checkout and mobile optimization. Features like one-click checkout and mobile optimization are a must in today's market. They'll cost you a bit more upfront but are crucial for a seamless user experience. So, whether you're in the USA, India, or Dubai, the cost of developing an e-commerce website varies widely based on the type of site, business size, and features you want to implement. The key is to plan your budget accordingly and choose the right development team to bring your vision to life. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on business, tech, and e-commerce development. If you have any questions or need help with your e-commerce project, drop a comment below. See you next time.